it's better for you. No, Mum, we mustn't get Adam into trouble. If this guy scratches...
It'll be his fault, he's been...
Will be, but... Mum! Stop it. Get out of it!
You utter imbecile.
Nobody.
Well, he's not going to argue with the woman, is he?
Hey!
Hi! Oh dear, what a burk.
There's some really arrogant drivers around, isn't there?
So, that was the kind of thing that happened this morning.
He's
as I
coming
say.
back.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, that's him.
I'll just...
Hold on, listen.
I prefer the hokey cokey. When you're washing your hands, what do you say to yourself? I don't think, but what I do is I focus
I
on
don't
what
sing.
I'm doing. So I make
Oh, he's going to get on the back of this car. You watch him.
focused activity. In other words, fingers, nails, thumb,
Nasty piece
back,
of work.
everything. So I do it as if I was going to do surgery. And when I did surgery, I thought about each and every little aspect, every square inch of my hand, and I scrubbed it clean that way by thinking about it.
Oh,
Because it's an activity
how are
we're
you
so
going to
used
do
doing.
this?
We do it absent-mindedly normally, but you're advising no, concentrate.
What? Jesus.
Correct.
Oh, you.
Very good to hear from you. I hope you can join us again because...
No.
Oh, don't stop there, you
Oh, he stopped just
burk.
let it go.
If he's willing,
What
he'll
a...
be back with us again at some point on LBC in the future.
Actually, he's got one over on that van driver this morning. Big...
Steve Allen, soundbite of the night. I feel like
Yes,
Barbara
yeah.
Carter's on a bad day.
Right. Look, Danny DeVito over there. He's going into Iceland. Wow, there's a lot of people wanting to go in there.
This is LBC, I'm Eddie Mayer. The coronavirus headlines at 5:01.
That's a pound stretcher, that's for her.
They're not going to get back, are they?
No.
Try and protect are those who are older citizens and people with pre-existing health conditions.
Oh, I suppose they've got to, haven't they?
Absolutely clear that nobody will have to choose between health and hardship.
The Health Secretary will bring forward, as part of our emergency coronavirus legislation, measures to allow the payment of statutory sick pay from the very first day of
What
the
do you
week.
beep it?
Italy's closing its
Voting me ain't going to make matters worse, better for anyone else.
We went the latest. Plus, Mike
Yeah.
Bloomberg is uptight with the rain.
Right.
The airline's flying is in trouble. And Claire Ballard has news before 6 on fuel duty.
I'm the yard. I'm gassing. Clowns got spotted and I can't stop.
Jesus!
Go, he gon' be lasting. Jealousy.
Right-wingers about, so riot police is the order of the day. Matt Jones is serious though. A group of people commit violence in the city centre and annoyed they are coming back.
At 57 mile Pleasant Stream.
You just gone for a ride? Oh dear.
With some rain, which high of 33 degrees.
Yeah, that's an idea.
You total knobhead.
Oh, still going in. What to do?
I'll tell you what he will be doing.
Someone chasing him.
Yeah, Mum. Go. What are you doing of? Mate, what are you doing? Oh, well done.
We all sit and drink in our own kitchens, you know. My husband's pouring out a can of pale ale into a pint glass the weekend because it feels more like the. But
Well.
Another one, don't wear a thong on a motorbike. Yep.
in the bottom of your body.
One way street. What is wrong with people?
In fact, there was one report which was
What's he doing?
that came out of
Oh, he's just realised that's a no entry. That guy there.
where, despite black and
What always reversing?
so that's everybody.
Did you not see the big no entry signs?
13%.
Or whatever it may be, sanitisers and everything
Jesus
else.
fucking Christ.
Safety is absolutely paramount here, but
I had to go through growing up as
Come on.
for
What is it with people?
and there is certainly
What is it with people today? What are you doing? See that? He's obviously gone straight through the red and then realised.
And all the rest of it, where the weather's nice. She
Yeah.
goes out.
What is it with people today? Twice on that roundabout. Don't give me a prick.